With so many options available, it's essential to choose the right property management software to fit your needs. Could Buildium be that ideal software for you? Of course, only you can answer that, but in this video, we'll break down some of their biggest selling points. Plus, we'll even give you a few alternatives that are worth exploring as well. And if you stick around to the end, we'll show you how you can get a special discount of our software, DoorLoop. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abugosh with DoorLoop. Buildium is a widely recognized property management software designed to help property owners and managers streamline their operations for residential and commercial properties. While Buildium offers a ton of valuable features, it's crucial to understand the pros and cons before making a decision. Without further ado, let's dive into our comprehensive list so we can see how it benefits you. Property management software like Buildium automates many essential property management tasks, including accounting. Buildium allows you to accept rent payments using multiple payment methods, including credit card and ACH payments. It also uses ePay platforms to automate payments. Maintenance management. With Buildium, you can create work orders, attach videos and documents, and send them to vendors. You can also get status updates for your work orders sent directly to your smartphone. When orders are complete, you can pay vendors from within the Buildium app. They also have great communication tools. From within the Buildium app, you can send single or bulk emails to your tenants. You can also communicate with tenants and vendors directly through SMS. They also have a great tenant portal. Tenants can pay rent, association fees, and other charges through Buildium's Resident Center. They can also submit maintenance requests and follow those requests from beginning to completion. Well, let's also look at their support and training. Buildium offers various levels of support, including a ticket-based support and on-demand tutorials through their Buildium Academy. And finally, we have the pricing. Buildium's pricing plan is primarily based on the features that you need. Their plans include the Essential plan, starting at $52 per month, and this plan provides essential features, but some more advanced functionalities are not included. Next, they also have their Growth plan. That starts at $166 per month, and this plan offers additional features such as live phone support and property inspections. And finally, we have the Premium plan. Priced at $479 per month, this plan includes features like Wave ETF transactions and dedicated support. So just to recap, let's go over some of the pros that Buildium offers. That being multiple payment methods, maintenance management tools, tenant and owner communications, and more. Okay, so by now we have a pretty good idea of what Buildium offers, but let's say it doesn't meet your specific needs. Here are some alternatives that you should consider. First, we have SimplifyEM, designed for small to medium-sized portfolios and offering reminders and basic accounting features. The pricing of SimplifyEM starts at $35 per month for your first 10 units. After that, we have Rentmoji, a mobile-focused app solution for rent tracking and basic accounting tasks. Rentmoji doesn't offer their pricing publicly, so you need to contact them to learn more. And last but not least, our very own DoorLoop, an all-in-one property management solution with a comprehensive suite of accounting tools, work order management, tenant and owner portal, custom website, mobile app, and more. The pricing of DoorLoop starts at $49 per month for your first 20 units. In conclusion, choosing the right property management software is a crucial decision. Buildium is a strong contender, but it's essential to weigh the pros and cons against your specific needs and budget. And if you think DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then click the link below to get your free demo today. And if you choose to sign up with that link, you can get an incredible discount that we're running right now on this video. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. We'll see you soon.